Hey guys, today I made Punjabi Dhaba style chicken curry. I took 500 gram of chicken, added some curd and turmeric powder for marination and kept it aside for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I made a tomato puree using tomatoes and cashews. In a kadai, I sorted onions, spices, ginger and garlic, then added some masalas. Added the tomato puree as well into that. While the curry was cooking, I made some delicious Malabari parathas as well. And that's it. A tasty curry is ready. Don't forget to follow my channel for more such amazing recipes.